My name is Cheyenne Pugh, and this is my demographic presentation. I teach physical education for the Wichita Public Schools, and I teach K through 5. Within this presentation, I'll be talking about the school and community, student background, student academics, and the educational placement. I found all of my information from the Kansas report card and then School Digger. For the demographics, I learned at Gardner Elementary School, we have 48.43% females and 51.57% males. For this chart, this side is for the city, and then this side is for my school. So we can see that within Wichita, the demographics are different, even with the school that's in the same city. Most of the kids at my school are Hispanic. We're sitting at 49%. This is also all based off of the 2019 to 2020 school year. Academically, with having a higher percent of Hispanics, most of their parents are only Spanish speaking, so this affects the students in the classroom because they're not able to see English when they're at home. Student academics. So this is a report that I got from the Kansas report card website. This is broken down into 3 main components. We have the building, the district, and the state. And then we can also see that there is 2 school years available. These are from the state assessments that the students took, and there will not probably be a 2020 version due to COVID, and we didn't take state assessments this last year. So there are 4 zones. So we got level 1 that is limited. We have level 2, which is basic. Level 3 shows effective. And then 4 shows excellent. Sorry, my handwriting's not too good. But we can see within this chart that we want most of our students to be over here in blue. Which we see, though, is that there's not a lot of students in blue, even if we compare it to the state. We can also see that my building is not far off from the district itself. So that would be the English. For science, we're doing better in science even as a district, and we're matching state, so if we can just draw a line and you can see that the orange is pretty close together. And once again, the orange is limited ability, level 2 is basic ability, level 3 is effective ability, and level 4 shows excellent. So once again, we still want our students in blue, but the lower numbers in orange, the better. And then math, once again, math isn't too good, but yet we're still doing better than the district, so that is a positive. Some things that I did not find, I was not able to find any of the education options for our students. Based on the websites where I was able to find information, maybe I wasn't looking in the right place, but I was finding more of the things about ACT scores for those students when they get to high school, dropout rates, and I didn't think that's what that was leaning towards. And I also found out that the average age of the kids at my school are 3 years old to 11. And as my closing, I found some other facts on the website, and that is 15 students to every 1 teacher in the school. Something that we're not proud of but we want to erase that and at least get us up to, down to 600. And we've had meetings and we're trying our best to get there. And then I also found out that 95% of my students are on free to reduced lunches. And that is because we are in a lower economic area. And then I have my resources. And I found my information from School Digger and the Kansas report card. And thanks for watching.